We are ECHO METALART, a professional belt buckle hardware OEM factory, have nearly 40 years experience in manufacturing the belt buckle. Today we are going to test whether our belt buckle or another brand's belt buckle has better corrosion resistance. Prepare dilute hydrochloric acid add into two identical containers. Put the two belt buckles in at the same time and wait for 1 hour. Let's see how it turns out. It can be found that the surface of our belt buckle has not changed too much, but the other buckle surface has severe oxidation or even breakage. We provide high quality and durable products for you. Welcome to inquire us in Alibaba or echobuckle.com.